All right, good day from Disneyland. We're here with my sister Brooke, who hasn't been in like a year, right?
Yes.
She's never been to Galaxy's Edge, so we're gonna check that out. Eat a lot of snacks, some of our favorites. Do a corn dog, we get some of the bao buns, Ronco wrap, see what's going on with Rise of Resistance. So let's get in the park and check it out. Of course, boarding groups are full. Still going within a minute or two of the park opening. We'll be back tomorrow morning though, and they actually open at 9. Hopefully we get on. I've never seen Mickey here right at the base of the train station. There's not a very long line for him. Kind of cool. New year, new flowers. Really liking this color pattern. Even more beautiful flowers here. Right in front of the castle. That is awesome. How is it? She kept begging for them. I actually haven't had one of these in a long time. And it wouldn't be a Disney snack if you weren't eating it on a trash can. Enjoying the Main Street Band. Don't talk about Winnie the Pooh. I just noticed walking up this tree. This is pretty slick. Look at that. They've actually got like a cable going up it. It goes all along every branch. That's where the trees or the lights are coming from. You almost can't even tell from there, but as you look down, you can see. Kind of neat. Doing it right with the bao buns. Beef.
Oh, those are big.
Yeah. It's awesome how they make them too.
Yeah.
And they're all layered. And the pan. Gotta make sure to get the sauce. Thank you. These things so delicious. Got a pretty good seat at the Tropical Hideaway. Zoom out. How do you like it? Pineapple lumpia. And which one was your favorite for the bows? We destroyed them all so quickly.
I like the beef best, then the veggie, and the chicken. But they're all good.
My favorite's veggie. Sarah's is chicken. Yours is beef. So what do you know? Trifecta. Stopping by Pirates because it's only 25 minutes, but I realized this isn't a great place to be standing. They removed the pirate that sits up here at the top of the bridge when you go in towards the end. Maybe they're doing maintenance on them. You got this one new at the dress shop. Very reminiscent of the one they had a while back. They had like a pink one and a blue one that were kind of like this, but this one's different. It even has Zurg Target on it. It's a lot quieter out here in front of the Haunted Mansion with it being closed while they converted back to the original. This is amazing. They have a replica of the original sign for the Haunted Mansion when they were waiting years for it to open. Because Walt was kind of working on this a little bit, passed away, and then they didn't really know what to do with it. So this thing was just sitting here, this mansion, for many, many years. And that's the same sign. We're gonna do Splash Mountain because you haven't done it in a while, and I want to hear some music. It's only like a 5-minute wait though, because it's kind of cold out today. I always regret getting on this ride. As soon as I get on it, you sit in that wet seat and you're like, why? It's an overcast day too. Brooke was surprised when I said there was more than one drop, yet she claimed she went on it.
I might be misremembering, or maybe I suppressed those memories. I'm not sure.
Yeah, it's definitely more than one drop.
Yeah.
A lot of fun though, right? Worth it?
Yeah. It was worth it. It was a walk-on, and I only got like a little bit wet.
We sat in the back. You don't get so bad in the back. Usually. Depends. Look at this extended queue for Rise of the Resistance. I wonder if they ever actually plan on using it. It is interesting to see this really long line here for boarding group returns. I've never actually seen a line out front. I've never noticed that in front of the X-Wing. You've got some trash can droids here. Kind of hard to tell that they are, but they've got feet. I would like to point out that on the car ride up here, we've been listening to the Black Spire Galaxy's Edge audiobook. Really gives some awesome background to this land. You say that at every place we go and you find a creature. So ugly that it's cute. What's it do? Does his mouth open somehow? Maybe you push something.
Maybe he needs that.
Looks like he's clapping. Yay! Well done. Well done indeed. I've never noticed this snail thing in this tank before. He actually, does he follow you? No, maybe not. So they got the escape pod thing out, and they do have different colored droids. This one's like white silver. This one's like blue. Those are the only two colors I see. Oh, and there's like a orange one here. The Sprite transport is back out with the droids. It's so funny though. So this one I've only seen come out a few times. I think maybe it's to restock. How are you today? You should get a pet him. Pet him. Touch him. See what happens. He's probably fine. We've got something new neither of us have tried. This is the chocolate popcorn.
Yes.
Go for it.
Okay.
Smell.
It smells like hot chocolate.
Oh.
It tastes like hot chocolate. I like it.
Tastes like... It's almost like Cocoa Puffs mixed with popcorn.
Yeah, it tastes like Cocoa Puffs.
It's really good though.
Yeah.
Let's get a Ronto wrap. Made fresh from the pod racer engine. Got that Ronto wrap. Stop eating popcorn so you can try it. Because we're going to see which of these snacks we've had today is the best. It's for science.
I'm going from sweet to savory. Excited.
I feel like most of the time I'm here, Chewie's like following behind. See, there he is right there. Hello, Chewbacca.
Hi, Chewbacca!
There he is. Casually strolling them on by. Never seen Chewbacca up with the X-Wing. Alright, that is going to do it for different snacks and checking out Galaxy's Edge. What was your favorite out of the 3 savory snacks we had?
Probably the Ronto thing.
Ronto wrap more than the corn dog?
Well, the corn dog is a classic, but I feel like the Ronto was a little more unique.
I'm surprised you said that. You're saying the Ronto, the corn dogs, and the Bowls are last? That's crazy, because I would say
I don't know. It's like picking your
Bowls are
favorite child.
best, and between corn dog and Ronto, I don't know. After that one, I think I may say corn dog second again. Ronto's third.
Oh.
So yeah, we're like kind of opposites now.
I mean, you're the one hyping it up.
I know, but after trying it again, I don't know. I think the corn dog is pretty good.
Corn dog is a solid choice.
But that is going to do it. Thank you all for watching.
The
Caravan is moving on.